Today, we are making butternut squash fries in the air fryer. They are quick, easy, and delicious. Hello, everyone. I'm Deborah. Welcome to my channel where I am making healthier versions of the foods that we love. And you guys, I'm always looking for ways to level up my recipes, including my snacks. And today's recipe fits the bill perfectly. Butternut squash fries in the air fryer, which means that we don't have to use all of that grease and oils that we typically use with a traditional white potato along with all of that oil. So you guys, without further ado, let me show you just how simple and easy it is to put together a healthier version of something that we love so much, and that being a fry. If you guys love a sweet potato fry, then you are absolutely going to love these butternut squash fries as well. Give them a try. And if you're interested in learning how to make other healthy versions of the recipes that we love, then keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes, into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient-rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So, if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt-free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor but not the unhealthy stuff. I want to thank you all so very much for being here. And if you enjoyed this recipe, then please do remember to give it a like. And if you're enjoying the content that I am bringing you here, and if you know someone that you feel would benefit from the recipes that we are bringing on this channel, healthier versions of the foods that we love, then share my channel with them as well. And also, please do remember to press that subscribe button below. That's how YouTube knows, okay, that you are enjoying what I am bringing you here, and they will continue to spread the word about my channel, and that's how I grow, you guys. And I thank you so very much for your support. And remember, it is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special, and I will see you all right here real soon. And thanks again for joining me.